Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the band. This prevents short circuits and gives full access. Next, make sure you have a 0.5 mm pick, plastic spudger, T3 screwdriver, and a controlled heat source nearby. These let you loosen adhesive without cracking glass. Once done, position the watch face up on a soft pad, note screw locations, and take a quick photo. That photo saves time when reassembling, so do it now before proceeding. You heat the bezel area evenly to soften adhesive, aim for 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, and hold for about 60 to 90 seconds. Then insert the 0.5 mm pick at a corner and work around the perimeter with gentle, incremental motions. This reduces stress on the glass. Once a gap appears, switch to a plastic spudger to lift. Be mindful of ribbon cables under the display, and remove any visible screws with the T3 driver before trying to separate the panel fully. You lift the panel only enough to expose the display ribbon, then unlock the ZIF connector by flipping its latch and gently withdraw the flex cable. This prevents connector damage. Clean remaining adhesive with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then place fresh adhesive strips if you plan to reuse the original glass. Once reconnected, reattach screws, temporarily power the watch on to confirm touch and display functionality, and only then press the screen into final position and seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.